Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I love you so very much. Thank you for the support. I feel I have to preface this video by saying I know it has been a long time. I was extremely busy with work. I am an insurance agent, and in the fall is my busy season, so that's my bread and butter, so I really had to focus on that, but I do apologize for not having uploaded videos during that time, but I am back on track now. So, in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I have had these items for quite some time, and I have really been wanting to use them. I just didn't let myself because I wanted my first sniffs to be genuine with you. And I believe there are some new fragrances out now, but I'll just go ahead and share what I have with you. So first up, I picked up Snickerdoodle in the body cream. This retails for $15.50. Fragrance notes are Snickerdoodle spice, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. And this is the 24-hour moisture. I think all of them are that now. Not 100% sure, but for the signature collection anyway. Ooh, yeah, this smells like a sweet, sugary Snickerdoodle. Yes, I like this one. Okay, so that's the body cream. Did I get the spray for that? No, actually, my store didn't have the spray. I remember now. Okay, and then I got Winter Peach Marshmallow in the body cream and the fine fragrance mist. My store didn't have the large one of this either. Well, that's okay though, because I may not like it too much. Fragrance notes are velvet peach, vanilla meringue, and creamy jasmine. Oh, retails for $15.50. That's interesting. You definitely get the peach and the jasmine together. It smells very floral. I'm not sure how I feel about this one, which is surprising. I love peach and I love jasmine, but it's a little odd. It's a little odd. I'm gonna have to wear it and see how it wears. Then I have Twinkling Midnight Sky Fine Fragrance Mist. I love the packaging on that. It's pretty. Fragrance notes are midnight flower, sparkling vanilla, and iced blackberry. That's pretty. Yeah, I like that. It's like a fruity floral. And this also retails for $15.50. That reminds me of something. A little bit it puts me in the mind of Little Black Party Dress, which smells like Elizabeth Taylor's Black Pearl. But I really like this one. Yeah. I think I got the body cream. $15.50 as well. Let me see if this one smells. Yeah, that's really pretty actually. It has some depth to it. I like that one. Next, I got Cotton Candy Champagne. Yeah, I've really been wanting to try this one. $15.50. Fragrance notes are bubbly, rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. Let's try a different spot. Spot I haven't put anything on. Very sugary. Like a sugary strawberry. Do I have a spray? Yeah, I have a tiny spray. I wanted the large spray of this one. It's like a strawberry creamy champagne. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, I really like that one. That's cotton candy champagne. That one's nice. Let's see here. Iced raspberry Bellini. $15.50. Fragrance notes are chilled Prosecco, sparkling raspberry with a citrus twist. A lot of raspberry, and the citrus makes it really bright. Then you get like that effervescent note. That effervescent note, though, I'm starting to get to not like it as much. Like, especially in home fragrance. It may still be okay for body care. I'm not sure. And I also have the iced raspberry Bellini body lotion. These kind of smell. Wait, let me try a different spot. Oh, okay. Yeah, they smell alike. Okay, so that is what I have for you for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you found this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.